today I'm going to show you what's inside my pouch. Okay, this is my pouch. Actually it is very full, it's coming out, so I'm going to show you what is in my pouch. So I have Gokul beauty talc. It is of rupees 10. It is small pack. I'm going for college, so I can't take a large packet or box. So I'm using very small packet. Now I'm using this Pond's Dream Flower Talcum powder. It is of rupees 10. See this one. Everyone knows the Pond's Spins and Gokul Santol. So Spins BB brightening and beauty face talcum. This is of rupees 10. So I'm using this one, and now I'm going to show you what's in my pouch. So first come my makeup product, moisturizing aloe vera gel face gel. It is of 100 ml. It is of rupees 85. I have a makeup pouch. It comes from Popfeel makeup kit. So it comes from that. And I'm having makeup brush. This is for powder, for applying powder. And I'm having Glow and Lovely brightening sunscreen SPF 30. So this is the sunscreen I'm having now. So if I change it, I will show you for the further videos. Then I have a comb. Then I'm having eyeshadow palette. So this is the eyeshadow palette. Here Popfeel eyeshadow palette. I used it many times, so it is like this. And I'm having Technique Hot Love eyeshadow palette. It is I don't know how much rupees is it, but it is a gift from my chitti. How is it? Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And again I'm having this Gokul beauty talc pink or orchid flavored powder. It is of rupees 10. And I'm having this mirror. See this mirror for seeing my face. And I'm having Color Cool eyeliner. It is Color Cool company. It is of rupees 45. And I'm having ADS Bonjour resistant lip liner. It is of shade brown color. So this is brown color. I'm having another one, ADS resistant lip liner, a Bonjour, the Madame Paris. So it is purple color. Can you see? This is purple color, this is brown color. And I'm having this matte lipstick, mini lipsticks. That is liquid lipsticks. I'm having this lipstick. It is Estee Lauder. It is Pure Color Envy Powerful 220 shade. So this is this color. It is matte pink color. So then comes my Inside Cosmetics lipstick, my new lipstick. It is of shade A17 Maui Magic. So this is purple color. I'm having red color, purple color, every color I used to have in my pouch. And I did not clean itself, so I came for a random video, so I shot it. So this is Magic 24K Gold Advanced Lip Gloss Super Magic 24K Gold. So can you see this? It will be like this. If you apply, it will be pink. I'll show you. See? But here it is, you cannot see in my hands, but it is pink color. Then in my first video, what I use, this lip balm, M&M Makeup and More lip balm, 12 hours moisturizer and translucent color and shine. I bought this lip gloss for 60 rupees. It is colorless lip balm. It is of Little Red. Then I'm having eyeshadow brush but I didn't use for many videos. But I'm having that one. I'm having this wedges see this wedges, it is for applying cream or powder. I didn't use a lot itself in videos. I just wake up and used to do many videos. So this is sponge. So I'm having this mini lipstick. This is of shade 6. This is of matte lipstick. This is of shade 3. So this is 3. This is 6. And I'm having kajal. So I'm having Himalaya kajal since 1930. It is of rupees 50 rupees. And I'm having this Hitex kajal supreme. This kajal, can we see this? It is of rupees 19. And these are my what's inside my pouch. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel for the further videos. Thank you.